Alright, we're going to be putting a new trimming line on this clipper. You get the name in there. We got a new one coming. I ordered the new one. My wife ordered it from Lowe's. This is a weed eater clipper. Give you some stats on it. Official name of it, Clippy. A weed eater Clippy. 120 volts, 1.6 amp draw, 60 cycle, 60 hertz. This is what it looks like. And this is the end it's going into. You can see. Spool is empty. This is the line, piece of the line that was in there. This is a 0.8. This is a 0.65 size we have, as you can see here. 65 thousandths, 1.65 millimeter. It's 100 feet. Got this at Lowe's. So I just got this for temporary now, for the small one here. I may end up taking this apart at a later time. It's been overheating. This was blocked up, and there's probably a lot of cut grass in there, and whatever else was being cut. These are nice. These have the self-regulating. It doesn't come out on its own. This is the cutter here. As you can see, this sharp piece, but you've got to do it manually. Some have it automatic to come out. So I'll open this up. All right, to save time on videoing, I just cut it out. First tool to use. Nice working knife. And this is the line. Right, it's out of the package. Sometimes you wrestle those out of those packages. And first thing I'm going to do is put a L in this. This one here come out like that. As you can see, that's what's holding it in. That'll be, it's picking up on this. There's a cutter on this one here. Right here is the sharp part that cuts when you see it from the inside. Okay, let's get to the end. Right here, this is thinner. I'll go in here. The end. Just wrap it around. Take a lot on this one here because it's a thinner trimming piece of trimmer. I'm finished. I'll clean this up. It's got a lot of grass stains on it, and from the grass dew in the water and so forth, making a liquid on it, sticking to the sides of this here. So often I keep pulling a little bit tight, not crossing over. And I'll give it a snip. And then it's almost like a measuring gauge on this here. It'll cut itself when it's too long. It's a little bit long right now. That's okay. There we go. Just a little bit longer. First spin on that, that'll cut that right off. We'll go this way here. We'll be spinning this direction, and it'll cut that off. So that's how you load that up. The universal trimmer line. It says the durability on this is good. Better than best, but this is good. So I guess this is like this here if you really get under a microscope. Must look like that. Bob's on it. I guess that's good. Good design. Working good for the old piece of equipment. Working good. Looking good. Satisfied. Well, I got a new one coming. So this is the finished product here, folks. Cleaned it up a little. See, it looks a lot cleaner. This is a new cutting line on it. One in 5/500 thick. I've been using it just to make sure it works well. There it is. It's your clippy. We got enough. On this here, you can see the underside of that. This is the new line cutter. It was a little longer, and what happens is it goes this way, counterclockwise. There's a cutter in here, right here. I don't know if you can pick up on the camera. It's a sharp cutter. And that cuts it down to size. And fortunately, some of the thick weeds cut it down to size too. So this is a 1.65 of thickness on it, and cuts well. It's pretty good. Got the new one coming, like I say. Get it an angle here. There we go. There we go. Light in here. And this is the info on it. Call it a weed eater clippy. 120 volts, 1.6 amps, 60 cycle, 60 hertz. And this is it. Cleaned up. This is old. This is a weed eater company brand. Weed eater brand. Shot 120 mil plug on it. And it works well. Unfortunately, the 1.65 amps just kind of too small. So I've got a big one coming. It'll be coming in a couple of days. Same brand, weed eater. But back then, when this was called the Clippy, weed eater Clippy. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not. But now it's called the Clippy. It was its own company. It is now part of, still the same name, Weed Eater, but it's under Husqrvana. And how that goes. Big companies buy out smaller. Happens all the time in the beer world. So, with that said, I'll enjoy this. I can't wait for my bigger one to come. Have a good day, folks. Ciao.